In this video, I'm going to share some solid tips on how to nail your home renovation project without losing your mind or your wallet. Alright, first things first, you want to start with a clear plan, like know exactly what rooms or areas you want to change and what vibe you're going for. Don't just pick stuff on a whim because it looks cool on Instagram. Think about what works with your lifestyle and space. Get a realistic budget down on paper before you start spending, and leave some wiggle room for surprises, because, trust me, they pop up. When picking materials or colors, go for stuff that's both durable and timeless. Nothing worse than redoing your kitchen in 5 years because trends changed. Lighting is huge. Make sure you have layers of light, not just one overhead fixture. Mix it up with task lights and mood lighting so your space feels right all day long. Don't forget to check if you need permits or inspections, especially for electrical or plumbing work. It saves you headaches later. If you're hiring contractors, always ask for references and look at their past work. Don't just take their word for it. And keep communication open through the whole process. The more you chat, the less stuff gets messed up. One of the biggest screw-ups I see is inadequate lighting plans. People slap in one main light and call it a day, but that kills functionality and makes the place feel flat. Another common issue is poor color choices. Picking colors that clash or are super trendy means you might hate your walls in a year or two. Lastly, ignoring moisture control is a killer mistake. If you don't waterproof areas like bathrooms or basements properly, you're asking for mold and damage down the line. The fix here is to plan your lighting with different zones. Stick to classic color palettes that fit your home style, and make sure you use proper waterproofing methods in damp spots. BigHomeProjects.com is all about hooking up homeowners with trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff, so you don't waste time or get stuck with shady folks. Plus, if you're a contractor looking to find steady gigs and grow your business, they've got tools to help connect you with people who need your skills.